What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bring guys a brand new video. We're gonna be doing a mid-fade comb over, so stay tuned. We're starting off a little bit differently. We're gonna start off with our no guard all the way open, creating our first guideline instead of using our gold FX to create our bald guideline. If you're struggling with your bald lines and you're taking your fades too high, you can always do this method instead of making your bald line first. Now that we're done creating our first guideline, we could go to our gold FX and create our second guideline around an inch underneath that. Always remember to use your opposite hand to stretch the skin to give you more space to either blend or cut the hair. Now that we're done balding them out with our trimmers, we gotta apply some shave stick. This is so my client doesn't bump up. Moving on to our forehead shavers, we're gonna remove the stubble and flick out as much as we can. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, leave a comment down below of my subscriber count if you made it this far into the video. Now that we're done balding them out, we can move back to our no guard all the way open and slightly close the lever midway and all the way close and attack that initial guideline. Always make sure to use your opposite hand to either comb the hair or stretch the skin. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to our one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. Remember, we're going to use this same guard and the lever to soften up this line and get ready for the half guard. Now that we're done softening up the line, we can move on to the half guard and erase the line completely. You either want to use the full blade, the corners, or the lever to help you. My memory card was full and it wasn't able to record the 2 guard all the way open and the 3 guard all the way open, so I lost that footage. But this is as far as I was able to get, and then also I was able to recover the next footage. So now we're going to debulk the hairline as much as possible using a 1.5 guard all the way open, and also we're making sure the hair is nicely laid down before we do this, just so we don't cut anything we don't want to cut. Now we're moving on to our gold effects, and we're going to start off in the middle, working our way to the sides. You want to make sure you go slow enough that the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer, because if not, then you won't line them up properly and the hair is going to shift either away or towards you. Also, remember not to press too hard with the teeth of the trimmer because you could bite them, especially if your trimmers are zero gapped. Now that we're done lining them up, we can move on to our shear work and create our first guideline on the right side, connecting it to the sides. Always make sure to grab the hair with your comb, feed it into your fingers, hold it as tight as possible, and then cut it with your shears. You want to make sure you keep this guideline as consistent as possible throughout the whole head. Your cuts on the sides are usually at angles. You always want to make sure you cut them at angles, because if not, if you just do a blunt cut, then it won't blend properly into the other hair. Now that we're done with our shoe work, we can move on to our Turkish Razor Derby Premium blades and make them as crispy as possible. But of course, before we do that, we're going to apply some shave gel so our razor could glide better. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. If you guys want to support the channel, leave a super thanks or a donation down below. It's greatly appreciated. Soon we're gonna reach 2,500 subscribers, and I just want to thank you guys so much, because this is awesome. This is an awesome experience. I've been wanting to do this since I was 12 years old. When you're using the razors, you want to stretch the skin as much as possible with your opposite hand, and also keep the razor at a 45-degree angle. This lowers the likelihood of you cutting someone.